how to create Pubg account with Facebook. So if you want to create a Pubg account with Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, make sure that you installed the Pubg mobile on your device. And once you've installed, you need to tap on it and launch the Pubg mobile application. Now you just need to simply go with allow and allow the notifications. And after that, wait for a few seconds. Now once the update has been finished, you can go with OK. And after that, go with accept all. Now it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So here it will give you three options or more options. So first is Twitter, and the second one is login with Facebook, and the next is phone or email. Or you can also go with the more option, which is on the right side, so that you can log in through your play games or as a guest account or with the QR code. So if you want to create a Pubg account with Facebook, then tap on login with Facebook and then agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, you need to enter your mobile number or your email address and then your password of your Facebook account, and you can tap on login. And once you've logged into your Facebook, then you'll create your account with your Facebook on your Pubg. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.